Another type of hierarchy in a project is the organizational breakdown structure, and it's commonly referred as organization chart in many projects. It demonstrates the team members and the associated responsibilities. To create an organizational breakdown structure or an OBS, go to Enterprise, OBS, and let's have a breakdown of the team member. So we can have project manager and click add. So it will automatically show you a category that is underneath the project manager. So let's have construction manager. Click add, and I want to have also a QC manager. And under the construction managers, we have some site managers as well. So click add, and I want to have the site managers under the construction manager, not the same level here. So you can go to this arrow here, shift right, and you have site manager 1, site manager 2. Okay, and we have also a list of QC engineers under the QC manager. QC engineer 1. You can also copy and copy from here and click paste as well, and you can adjust from shift left so it will be at the same level. This is like a shortcut only. It works with any form of hierarchy in Primavera P6. And now we have the list of our team members. Now you create the list, and to have the assignments, you can do that inside the project itself or WBS. You can always have the option of choosing an OBS. So you can create from this list and you can modify it as frequent as you want. You can also change the view of the organizational breakdown structure. For example, a printout, a submittal to the consultant, for example. So you can have from the display here a chart view. You can also zoom in to have, for larger projects, you would probably need that. And if you are getting lost somewhere and you want to have the default view, you can right click and click zoom to best fit. Okay, you can also customize it if you want. You can go from display and you can have a chart font and colors. The background color, let's choose this color, for example. And for the box color also, you can choose it instead of yellow. So it's up to you. You can customize it. You can also have the alignment, arrange children. So let's say that I want to have it vertical, for example. Like I want to have the breakdown not in this format, but similar to this construction manager format. So I want everything listed. So you can click display, and I want to click on the node which I want to rearrange. Then click display, arrange children, vertical. So everything will be vertical here. Can also click display, arrange children, horizontal. So this is actually a little here, some formatting. So this is the organizational breakdown structure. You only create the list here, responsibilities. We don't have any responsibilities here now, but you can assign it inside the project. So while you create a project, while you work, you can always find the option of choosing an OBS. For example, a specific team, a specific group, a specific QC engineer or construction manager. For the QC manager here, I want to also, so I made a mistake. I want to have the QC engineers under the QC manager. So let's do it quickly. So we have the table view, and I want to have the QC engineer under the QC manager. So you click on the QC engineer and shift right. The same for the QC engineer 2 also. And now if we go to chart, so you can have all QC engineers listed under the QC manager. So this is for the organizational breakdown structure. In the next video we will explain the work breakdown structure, which we will use many times in Primavera P6.